Today is July 14, 2025, and New Jersey went underwater. But what if I told you this flood wasn't just caused by nature? It was coded, it was timed, and maybe even planned. Let's decode the numbers they don't want you to see. So I want you to remember the number 83, how that stays relevant to this topic. Because Murder by Numbers, the song released by the Police, because it's murder by numbers 1, 2, 3. It's easy as to learn as your ABC. It's murder by numbers 1, 2, 3. It's as easy to learn as your ABC. That is not an accident. That is predictive programming. Now check this out. In the calculator, murder equals 79, 83, and 38. 38 and 83 basically mirror each other. It's a ritualistic chaos. And currently Trump is 79 years old, and Trump will be 83 years old when he gets out of office. 83 days ago was Earth Day, and New Jersey was on fire the same day, and thousands of acres were burned and lost. And now 83 days later, which is today, New Jersey's underwater. And it's a perfect setup to push climate change narratives. And if you missed my video on weather warfare, how the government manipulates the weather over the years since the 1940s, well, I highly suggest you watch those videos because I put out a really great presentation, and this kind of ties to this as well too. And it's been declassified. Some has been signed into law, but that's a whole different conversation, of course. But I highly suggest you watch that video. And Murder by Numbers, the movie, which starred Sandra Bullock. As you could see a 3 and an 8, replacing the E with a 3, replacing the B with an 8. Just like I said, murder equals 38. And like I said, Trump will be exactly 83 years old by the time he gets out of office. And don't you find it a coincidence that it's about a month ago, it's Trump's birthday? It was Trump's birthday now, today. New Jersey's underwater. Interesting, right? Now, this year, there's going to be a lot of elections for mayors, governors, local officials, etc. And there's a lot of overlaps with these numbers. Look at this. 83, 38, 43. Look at the same repeated patterns. Look at this. Overlapping patterns. Look at this. Some repeats for 74, 38. Look at a lot of overlaps for 38. Look at this. That's incredible. Even 43 too. Some 25s in there too. Look at the overlaps on these. Devil, flood, death, fire, killing, Lucifer, election. Just unbelievable. Look at this. These are some images from today, of course. And this was from the New Jersey Turnpike during rush hour. Basically, the Northeast New Jersey got flooded pretty much today. And this is the alert I got from earlier today. Just goes to show you. Now, this particular area, if you look very closely, if you're able to zoom in, if not, that's okay. I'll break it down for you. We're talking about towns like Linden, Elizabeth, Rodaway, Springfield, mostly Union County, Plainfield, and these are the hot zones. Basically, that area ties to dense population, mass transit, and a heavy, election demographics. And this goes to show you that the cabal works overtime to install fear and destruction every single day. And what's been a topic this year about airports, flights, crashing, air traffic control, and a lot of flights out of Newark have been canceled and delayed today. So that goes to show you right then and there, this is just truly unbelievable stuff. And as I was pointing out, my weather warfare presentation, how there was a bad flood in South England. I believe it was 1952. So I'm not saying this is similar, but if you look at the images, you can look it up. Lynmouth, 1952. The images of the aftermath of the destruction of the floods. It's just horrifying. So that goes to show you right then and then that your government are doing this for a specific purpose. They will do anything to control your minds, so you guys give in to the authority every single day. If you like the video, like, share, subscribe. I would appreciate it if you do. Until next time, hasta la vista.